Good morning, my dear students. So, here I have brought chapter 6 Lines and Angle part 1, class 9 maths. Let's begin with the chapter. It is one of the interesting as well as important chapter of geometry. Now, this is an introductory presentation which includes introduction, basic terms and definitions, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, angles, types of angles, parallel lines and the transversal. Introduction. In our daily life, we see different types of angles formed between the edges of plane surfaces. For making a similar kind of model using the plane surfaces, we need to have through a knowledge of angles. In science, we study the properties of line by drawing the ray diagrams. For example, to study the refraction property of light when it enters from one medium to the other medium, we see the property of intersecting lines and the parallel lines. Now, basic terms and definitions. Lines, a straight line or straight path extending in both directions with no endpoints is called line. Line segment, a part of line that include 2 points called the endpoints and all the points are between them is called the line segment. Ray, a part of line which with one endpoint that continues without end in one direction. Intersecting lines, lines that cross each other and meet at one position. Non-intersecting lines, lines that never cross each other and are always parallel to each other with the equal distance between them. Perpendicular lines, two lines that intersect each other to form a right angles are called the parallel lines. Perpendicular lines, angles is formed when two rays originate from the same points, that is known as vertex. The ray making an angle are called the arms of the angle and the end point is called the vertex of the angle. There are many types of angles such as acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, adjacent, linear pair angles. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. Example of acute angle you can see here in the figure, which are less than 90 degree. Right angle, an angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree is called the right angle. Examples of right angles are, you can see here in the figure, the photo frame and the cross and the scale which is exactly measuring 90 degree. Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is less than 180 degree but more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. Examples of obtuse angles are, you can see here in the figure. An angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree is called the straight line angle. Exactly straight line is equals to 180 degree. Examples of straight lines you can see here. These are the straight line angles. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. Examples of reflex angles are, you can see here, the biker and the rooftop and the tool whose backward side the angle is more than 180 degree. Adjacent angle, here you can see angle AOC that is divided by OB ray. So, two adjacent angles are formed. The angle is BOC and BOA. Angle which have one common arm and a common vertex and the uncommon arms are opposite to each other are called the adjacent angles. Examples of adjacent angles here you can see. You can just figure it out how they are adjacent to each other. Linear pair angles. An angle formed by the lean line intersecting a straight line is called the linear pair. Angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Examples of linear pair. All this sum up together to 180 degree. Vertically opposite angle. Here the angle 1 and 3 mark yellow and angle 2 and 4 marked red are vertically opposite angles formed by intersecting lines and they are equal. Angles formed by two intersecting lines such that the opposite angles are equal are called vertically opposite angles. You can see the few examples of vertically opposite angles. Parallel lines. This definition was asked in UT2. Parallel lines are the lines that remain the same distance apart over their entire length. No matter how far we extend them, they will never meet. Transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more parallel lines at different positions. There are some pairs of angles formed when a transversal intersects two lines such as corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles and interior angles of the same side. Corresponding angles, you can see here angle 1 is corresponding to 5, 3 corresponds to 7, 2 correspond to 6 and 4 correspond to 8. These angles are equal. Alternate angles, you can see they form a Z. So 4 and 6 and 3 and 5 are the alternating angles. They are equal. Now angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angle. Angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles which are equal. Interior angles on the same sides of the transversal. You can see alpha plus beta, they are supplement to each other. They make C and they are not equal, but when they sum up, they will sum up to 180 degree. They are formed with two parallel lines and the transversal line. So this is the basic introductory presentation about how this chapter is going to be. All these terms we are going to use in this chapter. Now next videos will be including all the textual exercises and the theorem. So kindly pay attention to those videos as well and write all the terms which are explained here in the introductory PPTs in your notebook before starting exercises. Thank you and see you with the next presentations. Bye-bye.